And if that's not enough, there's even a superstition that says saying bless you actually started as a way to ward off bad luck, because apparently a sneeze was like an accidental signal to the universe that something unfortunate was about to happen. So if someone sneezed, you say bless you to set the universe back in order, a sort of cosmic reset button. Who doesn't love a little extra good luck with their sneezes? So the next time you sneeze and someone says bless you, know that you're part of a tradition that's as old as plagues, popes, and Roman gods. It doesn't stop your heart, it doesn't bring your soul back, and it won't make you immune to the common cold,